don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Umenier Otiski.
So,
Thoughts, please.
uyayiphinda lento yakho. Uyayinazi kazi ngipha amasanda wana ayisho. Bese ngishisa ijacket. Man, Sithibo, yazi. Alright, sikala kuphi nje? Sikalela.
Anyway, mini.
Yeah, yazi. Enye into Sithibo engicathi ngihamba ngikhulu uthando layo le analyze ibhola because it's very interesting ukubona ama pattern okanye the way amateam adlala ngakhona. Yeah, because most yethu ibhola silibukela ungena kwamagoli sijabule yabo.
Yeah.
Alright, lento ngiyisa kuphi ngiyisa last tip. First half ne?
Sure me.
Azalanga grand.
Sure me.
Bengasiba bafana le esijwayele okanye the way sijwayele ukudlala ngakhona ne. Normally uma sidlala thina sidlala ngo Elias Umkwana kulenye channel and then lenye channel sidlala ngo Apolis ne. And muthi ya check lo ma channel oyi2 asuke effective.
Yeah.
Oyi2. And then la in centrally ube nabo Thembazwana ube nabo Mkwena bekunikeza ibalance la.
Yeah.
Asibuyeleni lana ekuthenini why ngithi first half yethu bengekho grand.
Sure.
Today sifuna ukwenza something bafana ngajwayela ukuyenza besifuna ukoverload iside eli1 leli side lika Pasadena no Apolis, which means overload yethu besishaya ngo Apolis uPasadena uMaswanganyi kanye no uCupido i striker lesethu ne, which means we overload abantu abangaki abayi4.
Sure.
And then remember Sithibo, if it's overloader, we overload with an aim to isolate. Ngihleze ngitshela ne. Si isolator kule enye channel, right? Because wonke ama defenders siswadonsile sekuphi. Ezo ifocus yabo njoba ngithi uMaswanganyi, uApolisi, uCupido no Pasadena, which means if unabantu abayi4 esidini, abantu kumele bezomaka kumele bebe ngaki nakhona. Kumele bebe 4 or 5. Uyabona ukuthi if une player elinye kule channel useli free mhlawumbe sekuzoba 1v1 nalo muntu mhlawumbe ushaya left back. For instance sina namhlanje bekuba uMurem ube attacker kulela side, so uzoba 1v1 whoever uzobe defender on that side. And you need someone on a skill ne. Alright, asibuyeleni lana ke Sipho i-overload yethu if ushaya overload kumele ube ne balance. There should be a balance between i-overload plus i-isolation, which means kumele kube khona i-direct link ebakhona ne, okanye kumele sibe sikwazi ukuba direct. Siya overloader siya isolate kulenye i-channel, but at the same time kumele sibe nayo ibhola sikwazi ukuthi idlale libe njani libe direct. Remember ngikubalela abo Thembazwana ngakubalela abo Mkwena ukuthi ibafana bafanisa effective kuma channel oyi2 ngo Elias Mkwana kanye no Apolis, but still la sisuke sisakwazi ukudlala if ukhona abo Thembazwana abo Mkwena mhlawumbe uthoze khona no Mahuphe ebuye ezosilandela ibhola la central. So isishayile lonto today because thina focus yethu bikuleli side leli ka Pasadena Apolis uMaswanganyi no Cupido sagcina singekho effective kulenye channel. And another reason why singabanga effective, normally if kudlala uMkwana noKhuliso Mdawu, uMdawu uyalishaya lelo side lelo bese uMkwana enze njani uya underlap engene ngaphakathi uMdawu eshaya iside. Sometimes uMdawu underlap and then uElias enze njani overlap wide enze njani overlap ne. Muthi achecka ngefirst half ayenzakalanga lonto leyo between uMremi no Van Rooyen be flat. So le nto le yangamnikeza space na ubani uMremi. But coming to i-second half ama changes abe khona because uVan Rooyen ubusubona iside ubeselishaya ngalesikhathi eshaya iside uMremi bese ubona ube nama chance khona ama chance awatholile. I think ikhona isave eshawa goalkeeper khona nje nale la khona kwaze khona ukuthena washaya ishibobo lezi zinto bengakwazi ukuzenza nge-first half because ispace besi-limited beku-crowded ngenxa yokuthi uFan Rooyen bengama-assist in terms of ama-underlaps and overlapping. Yeah. But ubonile second half uyakhona bese khona ushaya amashibobo bese khona ushaya ama-shots on target khona nenye pass ayidlalile washaya irun underlap wangena la centrally unfortunately yamhlula yabo lezi zinto beyingenzeki nge-first half but izenzakalile ngalesikhathi kunjani uFan Rooyen esethatha iside because bese ku-easy for yena ukuthi underlap or overlap. I understand. So ibafana bafana the way idlala ngakhona as dependeli kakhulu kuma overload side eli1 siba effective kuma channel wethu with Elias Mkwana with uKhuliso Mdawu with uApolice as well as uModiba ne because bayakhona ukuthi benze njani beshaya ama underlap and overlaps. Yeah, so and then again igame isizophela siqalile sadlala njengebafana bafana sesifaka umfukeng really safaka uNkoda ibuyela ku plant ama channels wethu aqalile abanjani aba effective because umfukeng ufike ne-energy uNkoda wafika ne-energy le energy esukile so Elias Mkwana no Apolice ama channel ukuze be effective wethu and then centrally remember ngithe siwe sinoThemba Zwane right uma ngena I think it's Kwayiba as noma isinema yakhe ngisho kahle naye ungene wasiguy energy okay amabhola waluzile but energy yakhe ibihlukile kule yamaswanganye yena ube direct remember ngithe nge-first half besinjani besingekho direct bese overload kuphela but singekho direct ne so Kwayiba wangena wenze njani wangena waba direct and then umfukeng waba effective kulenye channel uNkoda waba effective kulenye channel and then ubonile nama quick ball rotation besenzeka nama diagonal passes besenzeka even i penetration centrally uKwayiba bese sikhona ukuthi sishaye kwaphinde wangena no bani li Rooks naye wangena makeeper uMbatha wangena naye waba effective no Slepe wakhona ukuthi edlale enze njani akhululeke. So ibafana bafana ndiwe idlala ngakhona ishbe ku different first half and then yeah but second half we were better ne Sibo yazi ngibheke something abantu abaningi bebengayibhekanga kunama rumors alinka uMoremi to iPirates kube nama rumors alinka uApolice to iPirates yabo sengibalela abantu abaqale eza winger today okanye abaqale kuma channel obani bebedlala eswini today uMbatha
noDito
Maswanganyi nobani umuntu noSlepe badlalela
Pirates
and then labantu ama rumors babhekiswa kwini
Pirates
emuthi yacheka labantu bebedlala eswini boy 5 yabona ukuthi kune something ebakhomba kwiPirates. I'm not saying anything, just ngiyacheka wemuthi ayecheka central yethu le uMbatha Maswanganyi uSlepe and then ama-wing uMoremi kunama rumors I think for the past 2 seasons uMoremi lokuthiwa Pirates and then uApolice naye yabo lo 5 le understand and then simuthi yacheka ama changes enziwe second half kwafaka umfukeng kwafaka uNkoda kwafaka uKwayiba kune deal ekuthiwa conclude nePirates kwafaka nomfukeng kwafaka noNkoda kwazoba noKwayiba la central yebo lonto le
ekwa yonke
alright asesivala siba angisho next ne
hayi mara lento oyisho ngiyayibamba
ngiyacheka mina izinto ngakhona no analyze ibhola understand sengivala Sibo empilweni uyadinga someone ozokunikeza i-opportunity ukuze nawe uzoshayina okanye ukuze amaphupho akho efezeke. Alright, before ngifike lapha ekuthenini wayengisho njalo namhlanje ngikhuluma kwi-mic so nginxakazweli uAbdul wangaya i-chance yokuthi ngikwazi ngifike kuma-fans wethu understand which means ngikhuluma kanjena ngenxa kabani i-opportunity engiyithole kubani engiyithole kuZweli Abdul ne wathatha from esikhathini sakhe wathi mina iyarezwakala zokugaya 3 minutes wangigaya i-opportunity lento ingisa kuphi Sibo ingisa ku and before ngitshela ukuthi ingisa kuphi ngezinye indlela ngiqonda ukuthini uma ugaya i-opportunity empilweni ithathe ngezandla zombili ne lento ingisa kubani kuSlepe udlala ama game a few for iPirates wathatha ngezandla zombili. Namhlanje uyakhona ukuthi edlala igame ayiqede for iBafana Bafana. Lo mfana una less than 10 games for iPirates, but already usekwazi ukuqeda yini game for iBafana Bafana, which means le opportunity le abamgaye yona ngoba sekuphela isizini, so uyibambe ngezandla zombili. Namanje kuBafana Bafana ubonile ama mistake abeyikhona nyana efunyana, but uzoqhubeka afunde, but i-opportunity enzenjani uyithatha ngezandla zombili. Thank you.
Ay Minier, ay Bafethu.